So year one then. So at the end of year one, where were we? Well, I put the first one almost a bit jokingly, but it's seriously true. At the end of the year, I finally felt like I knew what I was doing, which took a year to get there, really. So Sam and I really felt like we kind of understood it now. We understood how it might work. We understood how we might get there. And we also understood perhaps what we needed to do more with the staff. So the first year felt a bit lost initially, but we got there by the end, which was great. And we had this real sense of direction. We really felt at the end of that first year, we could start to plan. What does year two look like? What can we offer to the staff in terms of development? Where do we want this to go? We asked all teachers to trial an oracy activity. And we asked them to do that in the second part of the year. So the first bit was just notice what you do. The second part was, right, now try one of these. We went through everything from Voice 21, all the ideas and different approaches. We told them about what we did. And we just said, we just want you to try it. And there was no pressure to prove it. It was just, we trusted that they did that. But we know that someone in every department has definitely done this and done this well, because they went forward for the sharing sessions at the end of the year. So has every single teacher in the school done it? I hope so by now. I think there would be by now in year two. At that point, there may well have been a few that maybe weren't on board, but we didn't try to catch those people out, as it were. We focused on who was doing it, and that sort of culture building really around it. And that sharing event that I talked about at the end really sort of validated the work those pioneers had done. They got a lot of really positive feedback from other members of staff. They were able to share what they'd done and lots of questions. It was really good. And I think that really felt like we were beginning our culture of oracy in the school, actually. That was a really lovely session.